Hi everyone, I'm Lexi, and today we're taking a closer look at the PolymerPlus 6PSevo Polymerfeed System from Burt Process. This system is designed for precise polymer activation and dosing, delivering consistent performance for water and wastewater treatment applications. It is also 100% made in the USA. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The PolymerPlus system arrives as a fully integrated skid-mounted unit designed for quick installation and long-term reliability. Inside, you'll find the complete system, including the peristaltic polymer feed pump, activation chamber, blending components, and control panel. The unit is built on a stainless steel frame and features corrosion-resistant thermoplastic piping and components throughout. At the core of the system is a patented motorless activation chamber. This chamber injects polymer into the dilution water stream and forces it through a high-energy, low-pressure activation nozzle. The turbulence generated during this process efficiently activates the polymer, ensuring optimal performance in downstream treatment. The PolymerPlus is designed to accurately feed and activate liquid polymers for treatment processes. The system uses a peristaltic pump design which eliminates valves prone to clogging, making it ideal for handling viscous or challenging polymer solutions. It's fully self-priming and capable of operating against system pressure. The Cortex 7 controller is a state-of-the-art capacitive controller that integrates local and remote operation, with programmable inputs and outputs for seamless integration into plant control systems. Operators can also control solution concentration, batch processes, and system flushing directly through the interface. The PolymerPlus system is commonly used in water and wastewater treatment, sludge dewatering systems, chemical processing, and municipal and industrial treatment facilities. Anywhere consistent polymer activation and dosing are required, this system delivers reliable performance. All right, that wraps up our unboxing for today on the PolymerPlus 6PSevo Polymerfeed System. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance solution for polymer activation and dosing, this system is built for consistent results. And for more information or to request a quote, visit us at burtprocess.com. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.